The Our Place Perfect Pot Mini Sage is a compact saucepan that comfortably handles everyday tasks like simmering sauces, cooking grains, and reheating leftovers without crowding the stovetop. Its ceramic, non-stick interior releases food cleanly and is free from common toxins, so it feels safer to use and needs very little oil for cooking. The pot moves easily from burner to oven for recipes that start with a quick sear and finish with gentle baking, which makes it surprisingly versatile for its small size. A thoughtful lid design that both self-bastes and vents steam, along with an integrated strainer, means you can drain pasta or vegetables without reaching for extra tools. The included beechwood spoon nests neatly into the handle, keeping counters tidier and making it simple to stir, serve, and cover the pot in one smooth workflow. An aluminum body that heats quickly and works on all common cooktops, including induction, helps this small pot cook evenly and feel like a reliable everyday piece.